You know what coral to us? Yes. So wherever there's coral, there's bound to be fish. But where there's coral and there's only little fish, and the reef around it, there are also reefs. Yeah, all the way around. So there's four reefs. We do have fishing restrictions from the Ministry of Fisheries. It is part of the government, but they are not followed as much as they are compared to Australia. Because I know Australians are really into fishing conservation and all that stuff. They keep on asking me what are the fishing bans in Fiji. We do have seasonal bannings for species of fish. We have areas which we call MPAs, marine protected areas, where people